Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. If you're struggling with toenail fungus, Lunavia promises an easy solution, but most people get this wrong by thinking all topical treatments are equal or that results are instant. The surprising truth is that Lunavia is priced based on convenience, active ingredients and package size. A single pen typically costs around and lasts 1 to 2 months with daily use. Some vendors offer multi-pack bundles, reducing the per unit price too. Shipping is usually included for domestic orders, while international rates vary. Refunds are often limited to unopened products or must comply with the seller's return policy. What you get: targeted antifungal treatment, ease of application, and discreet usage. What you give up: patience, as visible results may take 6-12 weeks depending on severity. Consistent daily use is key to effectiveness. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Identify the severity of your toenail fungus. Step 2. Compare single versus multi-pack pricing to find the best deal. Step 3. Check ingredient safety and potential allergens. Step 4. Follow daily instructions consistently to maximize results. You won't believe what happens next if you use it sporadically. Improvement may be minimal or slow. The surprising truth is that Lunavia delivers results when applied correctly, but it's not a quick fix. In conclusion, Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen offers an accessible and convenient treatment option. By understanding pricing, expected timelines, and proper application, you can make an informed purchase and maximize your investment in foot health.